Hi there, students. So be it. Okay, this is a phrase of acceptance or resignation to a state of affairs. So if he wants to spend all his money on a new boat, then so be it. It means that it is necessary for me to accept the situation as it is, but I don't really like it. So when people say so be it, it means you accept something that has been decided or something that is necessary, although you don't like it. So you can be resigned to the fact that something is going to happen and you can do nothing about it, so you have to just accept it. If you want to throw away your career because of idealistic principles, then so be it. I can't stop you. It's your career and it's your decision, so let it be. If I have to pay an extra supplement for this service, then so be it. I don't like the idea of paying extra, but I am prepared to pay extra. I will accept paying extra. If you really insist on marrying her, then so be it. It's your life, your marriage, you decide. If he doesn't want to speak to me again, then so be it. I accept it like that. I don't like it, I can't change it, but I accept it as it is. Notice as well the grammar of this, so be it. This be is a present subjunctive. Okay, so be it. It is like that and I can't change it. The government implemented the law and the people had to accept it. The people had to say, so be it. We accept it, but we don't like it. Okay, we're not going to fight against it. If he wants to study all night and sleep all day, well, so be it. It's his decision. Okay, now the next question is formality. I would say that most commonly so be it is a phrase that you speak. If the situation is like this, then so be it. It's a phrase on its own. Yeah? Don't add anything else to it. So be it, full stop, or so be it, exclamation mark. I think you can use it in a very informal conversation, and I think you could also use it in a very formal conversation. Notice so be it is explaining my point of view, how I think things should be. And it's saying that I agree to it even though I don't like it. Yes, I guess you could also use it in a formal writing, but I find it difficult to see how to fit it in. Okay? It's more a spoken phrase. So be it. An expression of resignation to the status quo, to the way things are. You don't like it, but you can't change it. It's necessary and has to be done. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So be it.